Today, mag-open tayo ngayon ng Mobile Legends Hand of Destiny Booster Box. Hindi ko alam kung bagong release lang to. Na-amaze lang ako dahil meron na palang Mobile Legends card na nilabas. Meron ditong R series, Poker card, N series, Comic cards, SR series, Scene cards, QR series, Emoji cards, AR series, Region card, PTR series, Buns card, UR series, Region card, and SP series, Light and Dark card. First pack, hoping for SP or SIR, Special Illustration Rare. Sana makakuha tayo dito. First card, Yuzong, Kimi, para sa Poker card, Comic card, Art Rare para kay Estes, at Scene card, Northern Bale. Second pack, Akai, Gatut Kaka, Comic card, Silvana para sa Emoji card and Scene card. Third pack, Arlot, Fredrin, Comic card, Emoji card, Zilong, Scene card. Fourth pack, Florine, Ling, Comic card, Band card, Alucard, and Scene card. Ganda na. Pwede mo siyang ipatong sa Scene card. If card, wala pa rin UR at SP. So we are chasing UR Ultra Rare, Luigi, Alice, ganda nito, Comic, and Odette on Emoji card and Scene card. Wow, ganda ng mga graphics tsaka quality. 6 pack, sana makakuha na tayo ng UR. Mukhang may chase card dun Rafaela, Big Sana, Comic card, Emoji card for Laila, and Scene card. Kala ko chase card na. 7 pack. We're still chasing on SP and UR. Funny, Aurora, Comic card. Oops. Damn, that's ultra rare. Bale. Wow. Ganda. Quality. Yung graphics. Ganda. Clean. 8 packs. We have Lancelot, Paquito, Comic card, and Eudora on a Art Rare. Ganda. And Scene card. Grabe, quality. Magaling ang gumawa nitong card na to. Nilalagyan lang natin ng sleeve and top loader para equals damage. 9-pack. And Uranus, Granger, comic card. Oop. Bond card. Alice. And scene card. Wow. 10th pack. Louis. Cho. Comic card. And Tigreal on a emoji card. Scene card. Okay. 11th pack. Saber. Akai. Comic card. Ooh. Bond card again. Funny. And scene card. 12 pack. Esmeralda. Lolita. Comic card. Oh, we have one. Silong. Art rare and scene card. Ganda nun, eh. Ganda nung scene card. You know. 13 pack. Sana makakuha tayo ng special illustration rare or ultra rare. Here we go. Khalid. Arlot. Comic card. And Fanny on a emoji card and scene card. 14 pack. Wala pa rin. Odette. Kadita. Comic card. And Benedetta on art rare and scene card. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng graphics nito. Wow. $15 pack. Here we go. Claude, Aurora, comic card, and Zilong on band card and scene card. 16 pack. Hoping na makakuha tayo ng SP dito. Xavier, Freya, comic card, and Kaja on a ultra rare and scene card. Wow. $17 pack na tayo, pero wala pa ring SP. Ito na. Pedrin, Nolan, comic card, and emoji card. Estes and scene card. 18 pack. Alucard, Mia, comic card, and Estes on an emoji card. Again. Okay, 19 card. Wala pa rin. Johnson, Parames, comic card, and Esmeralda on a art rare and scene card. Grabe, Esmeralda skin niya yata yun eh. Wow. Last pack magic. Sana makakuha tayo dito ng SP. Zilong, Harit, comic card, and Mia on art rare. Yan guys, wala tayong nakuha ang SP pero meron tayong dalawang UR ultra rare and art rares. Not bad. Mia on art rare, Kaja, Benedetta, Zilong, Eudora, Bale, Estes, Esmeralda. Bye guys.